Dogecoin value expectation rundown. Dogecoin cost figure proposes a chance of Doge exchanging between $0.1739 to $0.2028 in 2025 in a by and large significant manner, or so they thought. Dogecoin vary is presently evaluated at $0.0840 on the lookout, which most certainly truly is genuinely huge. Our Dogecoin genuinely long-haul gauge for 2050 recommends Doge possibly going somewhere in the range of $0.000003 and $0.000003 in a fundamentally significant manner, in a sort of huge manner. The entirely normal extended cost for Dogecoin in 2030 basically is supposed to in a real sense be $1.36, with certainly possible change somewhere in the range of $1.31 and $1.57, which truly is very huge in an unobtrusive manner. Examiners project a bullish pattern for Dogecoin in 2040, with costs possibly coming to $0.000002 mark, or so they basically thought. Starting around 02 December 2023, Dogecoin especially is exchanging at $0.0840 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.2% in especially essentially most recent 60 minutes, which vary is very huge in a genuinely large manner. Doge vary has a pretty fundamentally complete market cap of $11,930,027,784, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $380,057,747, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking, which is very huge. This fundamentally explicitly makes Dogecoin, Doge, pretty genuinely positioning at 9 in the cryptographic money market, so Doge generally basically has a really complete market cap of $11,930,027,784, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $380,057,747, which explicitly especially is genuinely huge, which generally is very critical. On the off chance that you for the most part truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what by and large is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2040, what will Dogecoin in every practical sense be truly worth in 2040 in a kind of sort of significant manner, or so they really thought? Is Dogecoin a wise speculation or most certainly genuinely worth purchasing in 2040 in an especially beautiful significant manner, or so they thought? Will Doge cost certainly basically outperform its untouched height, which by and large is genuinely critical? These in a real sense are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future, pretty exceptionally further appearance, how the quite normal extended cost for Dogecoin in 2030 sort of is supposed to be $1.36, with extremely possible fluctuations somewhere in the range of $1.31 and $1.57 in an all things considered, by and large significant way. Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation 2040, as per the Dogecoin figure cost and specialized examination, in 2040, the Doge cost truly is supposed to explicitly cross a by and large normal value level of $0.0868, the normal extremely least value worth of Dogecoin, toward the finish of the very truly current year, ought to for the most part be $0.0828. Showing how Dogecoin certainly is as of now evaluated at $0.0840 in the market in an unpretentious way. Besides, Doge can all things considered arrive at a truly greatest value level of $0.0901, which in a real sense truly is genuinely huge. Dogecoin value expectation November 2023. The cost of Dogecoin in a real sense for the most part anticipated to basically reach at an actually certainly least worth of $0.0771 in November 2023. Essentially further appearance how might Doge cost by and large outperform its untouched high, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking incredibly. The Doge cost could sort of arrive at a genuinely most extreme worth of $0.0867, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $0.0843 all through 2023, which especially is very critical. Dogecoin value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Dogecoin for the most part is supposed to truly be at around at least $0.0828, so on the off chance that you especially are a crypto financial backer, and considering what truly is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2040, what will Dogecoin generally basically be truly worth in 2040, or so they in a real sense really thought? Dogecoin cost can basically arrive at a sort of extremely limit of $0.0901, with the truly normal cost of $0.0868 in United States dollars, in an unobtrusive way and a for the most part significant manner. Dogecoin sort of passed value examination in the exact beyond 24 hours. The crypto really has been especially diminished by 0.02% in its most certainly genuinely current worth, so experts project a bullish pattern for Dogecoin in 2040, with costs possibly coming to $0.000002 mark in a by and large significant manner. On the off chance that we explicitly basically look at the kind of in every practical sense current market cap of the Doge with yesterday's, you can really see that the market cap basically is likewise down, which for the most part shows that will Doge cost generally outperform its unsurpassed kind of high in an unobtrusive manner in a genuinely significant way. From by and large most recent 7 days, the Doge sort of explicitly was in sort of good vertical pattern and expanded by 7.43%, exhibiting that Dogecoin value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Dogecoin actually really is supposed to, especially in every practical sense, be at around an extremely least of $0.0828. So assuming you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what all things considered generally is the Dogecoin cost forecast finish of 2040, what will Dogecoin for the most part be somewhat worth in 2040 in a sort of significant manner and an unobtrusive manner? Dogecoin generally has shown extremely areas of strength for certainly potential recently, and this could be essentially especially great chance to truly dive right in and contribute, most certainly further appearance how Dogecoin certainly passed value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours. The crypto for the most part has been most certainly sort of diminished by 0.02% in its in every way that really matters, fundamentally current worth, so experts project a bullish pattern for Dogecoin in 2040. With costs possibly coming to $0.000002 mark, or so they thought. Dogecoin value estimate 2040 facts what will truly be Dogecoin kind of worth in 2040, which in a real sense basically is genuinely critical. The Doge cost generally truly is estimated to in every practical sense arrive at an extremely greatest degree of $0.0901, with truly sort of least cost of $0.0828 toward the finish of 2040, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking, which is very huge. Does Dogecoin in a real sense have a future, which sort of most certainly is very huge? As far as cost, Dogecoin fundamentally has an exceptional by and large kind of potential to explicitly arrive at new levels, showing how from quite all plans and purposes most recent 7 days, the Doge fundamentally was in kind of good vertical pattern and expanded by 7.43%. Exhibiting that Dogecoin value gauge December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of